Hello and good day, my PayPal lovers. Today, I would love to analyze a fantastic company with great potential upwards. Those who are interested, um, let's go through the analysis of PayPal. Well, as you can see here by the headline with Deutsche Bank, the risk reward finally looks favorable for PayPal. And the question for you is, should you invest in this company? As you know, April the 30th is their earnings report. And the question right now is, do we have a big potential to ride the earnings? The company's portfolio strength has been really helping it maintain a deep and trusted relationship with merchants and consumers. The two-sided platform helps develop direct financial relationships with customers and merchants, guys. Increasing user engagements on PayPal's platform owing to a continuous shift to customer performance toward contactless payments have been acting as a tailwind. Strong monetization efforts of Venmo are likely to have aided its adoption rate in the to-be-reported quarter. It is likely to have driven growth in the total payments volume of the company, and One Touch is growing momentum across merchants on the heels of its robust mobile checking out services is expected to have driven growth in PayPal's mobile TPV in the first quarter. So as you can see, everybody is really prognosing good quarterly earnings report. They're also strengthening their cryptocurrency efforts, which I'm a big fan of PayPal's activity in this area, and the integration with the Venmo and the expanding global footprint of its cryptocurrency, and the momentum of the company's buy now pay later solution is anticipated to have driven its quarterly performance higher and higher. However, don't forget that we have also competition in the digital payment market, the macro headwinds that are hurting consumer spending, and tough comparisons with large volumes of digital payments during the pandemic are expected to have been major concerns for PayPal, guys. Having said that, the key metrics to consider here, guys, for the first quarter, the Zacks consensus estimate for active customer accounts is pegged at 427 million, which is suggesting a 1.4% fall from 1 year ago. That is quite a headwind. And the consensus estimate for the total number of payment transactions is pegged at 6.5 billion, indicating an improvement of 11.3% from the prior year. And the Zacks consensus estimate for TPV is pegged at 394 billion, suggesting a growth of 11%, guys. So the revenue is pegged at 711, which is another 5.2% increase. Therefore, the guidance at least is that the first quarter we need to have a growth of 6.5% on a spot rate basis and 7% on the currency neutral basis. And we are talking about a non-GAAP earnings to rise in the mid-single digits on a year-to-year basis. And the earnings is pegged at $1.20 per share, which is a growth rate of 2.6% from the year ago. Okay, let's take a look at the analysis of the company, guys. As you can see, we have a major sell-off. PayPal had a horrible time post-COVID, guys, which was we hit almost the $310. But that is not our concern right now. Let's just take a look at what possibilities we have going into their earnings before it happens. Now, if you look at this crazy channel right here shown in red, we wrote this channel all the way down, and something interesting happened. Basically, we have two major support lines. That's one, and the next one is basically this one right here. One acting as a support line and now as a resistance line. We have passed the main resistance line, guys, as you can see shown in blue right there for you. We've gone over that line, which means now the company is potentially using that blue line as a support line. So therefore, my analysis of the company is that the company will report much better than anticipated earnings, and therefore in the coming days I believe the company could go all the way, of course provided with good news, could go all the way to $74.81, my friends. So we're looking at $75 value for the company. At the same time, if you look at the stochastics, totally supporting the movement of the company, and I think we shall see a good rise as far as company's earnings are concerned. Question is, would I invest in PayPal right now? Answer is definitely, both short term and long term, guys. We have gone past through the red channel, the bear channel that I depicted here, and you are now on your way to create and go through the next channel with good earnings. I believe hitting this channel and going over the channel towards the next line, which could potentially be somewhere along the lines of 94, would be very, very probable. So therefore, if you are actually holding the stock, keep it. If you are not in it, you can go into it with the hope that their earnings would not disappoint, and on April the 30th, and we will ride the channel upwards towards 75 and then 95 on the second run. Thank you very much. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and let me know what companies you would like to be analyzed in the future videos. Thank you and have a great time. Bye.